Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Bless Method Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance 914 Left Eye. The song is Left Eye, the artist is Honey Baby, and the choreography is Steve Fun Bunch Dillard. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it. That is 914 Left Eye. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next